Hi everybody, this is Angel. Happy Saturday. I am at Hong Kong International Airport going to Manila. There's the giant Christmas tree and I'm still waiting for my gate. Talk to you later. Hi everybody, this is Angel and we are here in the Philippines. We have kare-kare,
adobo,
mangga, dahon,
pechay,
pechay.
bagoong.
What is this? Bagoong and wanda. Hi everybody, this is Angel. Happy Sunday. We are here in Malolos. Who's that? Hello. Say hello. And we're going to have our breakfast. What's on the table? Ayan. Itlog, hot dog, pandesal, and fried rice. Sarap. Kain tayo. And with the tuyo. That's the fried fish. Tuyo. Yummy. Kain tayo. So there's our Christmas stockings. I have 5 pamangkins. There's Nat, Precious, Wanda. Over here we have Winnie and Wendy Emmanuel. Very cute. I'm going outside the house. See, we have a lot of things outside the house. That's my dad's, so I'm not going to touch any of those. Here's our little Mother Mary, and right there's Our Lady of Lourdes, our little grotto, nice white flowers, and we have a papaya tree. Ito yung papaya tree, and this is how it looks like. Papaya tree. And there's Our Lady of Lourdes. We have our little sidecar. Yan. So my dad's bike. What else? My dad's motorcycle. There's a dog barking at me. I don't know why he's barking at me. Okay, let's have breakfast.